So this video is regarding the indicator for your MetaTrader 4 or MT4 platform. The indicator in question is one that displays the spread of the Forex pair that you're trading, as well as displaying the time remaining on the current candle that's being drawn. So how, first of all, do we install it? Well, once you've downloaded the indicator from my website, you can come up to here on your MT4 platform and click File, Open Data folder, and here you will click on MQL4 and the indicators folder and simply paste it into this folder here. Once you've done that, you can go to the navigator button at the top and you will see the candle timer right here. You might have to first of all right click and refresh in order to see it in the list. But once you do, you can just click on it and drag it over to the pair that you're trading. Here you can change the colour. I quite like it in yellow because it means I can see it more clearly, and you can change the corner in where it appears. So if you change this number to number 1, it will be in the top right hand corner, and if you change it to number 3, which it is by default, it will be in the bottom right hand corner. Once you've decided where you want it, just click OK, and you can close the navigator list. And here at the bottom, look, you can see the spread of the current pair that I'm on, which is the Euro USD, and you can see how much time is remaining before the next candle starts to paint. So currently there's 39 minutes remaining before this candle finishes and the new one starts. So hopefully that's explained how to install it. You can see what it looks like. If you would like this indicator, you can find it on my website. The link is in the description below to this video, and I think it's something that will benefit your trading experience. Indeed, I think all serious Forex traders should have an indicator like this.